Alright guys, so this is what I came up for a brakes solution. You'll see some of the machining process, but a lot of it you didn't see because I was at my brother-in-law's and there's not very much place to set a camera up. But this is what I got. So we got the disc brake on this side, chain sprocket on the other side. We're going to go right onto the chain and use it as a tensioner as well. So that's what I got so far. So I thought I'd try this spring because it is lower profile and it has enough tension to keep the sprocket against the chain. So now I thought I'd try adding a heavier spring and see if that would help. Since the big spring didn't work, I thought I'd try adding additional pressure with my hand to see if that would keep the sprocket engaged to the chain. Well guys, you can't always get everything right the first time, so we tried, did not work. The sprocket kept slipping on the chain as braking, so that was going to eat my chain in no time. So the next option we have is we can take this spacer out here and we can throw in this section right here with this. We'll have to grind these out, take this off, drill this hole out as well, and hopefully we can just pin it straight through the axle, and then we'll be able to take it all apart when we want to take the axle off if we ever have to do repairs or anything like that. So then you'll only be braking on this side, but when you have braking on this side, it either has to speed that tire up twice the speed as you're traveling at, or they'll both be braking. So that's how we're gonna have to do it now, unless of course we get two brakes and we put one on this side as well, which is possible. We will have to see how this works first. First, of course, we need to get a deck so that we can actually ride the thing. But that's besides the point. For now, I guess that'll be part 2 of the brake system. So I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends.